Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can change your Android launcher on your Android device. So in the first step we have to download a launcher. As you can see, I previously downloaded a Microsoft launcher, and now we have to go back to the settings. Now you can choose just once and we can go to the settings. Now go to the apps and expand the advanced. Now go to the default apps. Choose the Home app now by Microsoft Launcher. Add permissions and just adjust the settings to your needs. As you can see, this is a new design of your Android system. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.